In this video, you will see how to add signature in Word on iPad like this. It's very easy. First, tap on the Draw tab here, and here you will see different types of paints. You just have to select the third paint. This is of a black color. Just tap on the black paint, and then you can select the color of your choice. For this tutorial, I'm just selecting the black color, and you can also select the thickness of the signature. So let's say I'm selecting this thickness, and then we need to tap on draw with touch. Now we will be able to draw the signature, and once done, just tap on select objects and then tap on the signature. Now you will be able to resize the signature by dragging it through the end like this, and you can also rotate the signature if required using this handler, and place it anywhere inside the Word document like this, and then tap inside the document. In this way, you can quickly add signature in Word document on iPad. If you are filling up the form or you want to sign some important document, this method is very handy. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.